What if the world you see is not exactly the way it appears? What if time is not really flowing, but only feels that way? Are we just physical bodies, or is there something deeper within us? And the biggest question of all, what does it actually mean to exist? If these questions surprise you, then you are standing at the doorway of a fascinating branch of philosophy called metaphysics, the field that explores reality, existence, time, causation, self, and the fundamental nature of the universe. Hello and welcome to the channel, a place where we explore the biggest questions in a simple, engaging, and thoughtful way. And since this is our very first video, we are starting with a topic that has fascinated human beings for thousands of years: metaphysics. In simple words, metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that asks, what is reality? What is existence? Why do things exist at all? What are time, space, causation, mind, and the universe in their deepest sense? Here is something interesting. The word metaphysics was not originally used by Aristotle himself. Later, an editor arranged some of Aristotle's books after his work on physics, and the Greek title used for them was Ta Meta Ta Physica, which roughly means the books that come after the books on nature. Over time, this stopped being just a title and became the name of an entire field of thought. Britannica. Aristotle also referred to it as first philosophy, the study of being as being, or existence in its most fundamental sense. Metaphysics does not ask ordinary questions, it asks foundational questions. For example, is reality only material? Are mind and body two different things? Does time really pass, or is that only our perception? Does everything need a cause? Is free will real? Do numbers, ideas, or souls also exist in some sense? Science often asks, how do things work? But metaphysics asks, what are these things, really? For example, science can explain how the brain sends signals. But metaphysics asks, is consciousness nothing more than brain activity? Or is there something deeper going on? Many people think metaphysics is just strange or impractical philosophy. But the truth is, all of us use metaphysical assumptions in daily life. When you say, I am the same person I was 10 years ago. Time is moving fast. Everything happens for a reason. My choices are truly mine. You are already using metaphysical ideas, whether you realize it or not. That is why metaphysics is not just abstract philosophy. It helps clarify the basic structure of how we think about reality. It gives us conceptual clarity, expands our imagination, and teaches us not to make quick assumptions about reality. Metaphysics includes several major topics. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. Ontology. This asks, what really exists? Objects, minds, souls, numbers, universals, which of these are truly real? 2. Identity and persistence. If a thing changes over time, is it still the same thing? For example, if a person's body, memories, and personality all change, what remains the same self? 3. Causation. What is a cause? Does every effect require a cause? And if so, does that lead us to the idea of a first cause? 4. Space and time. Is time a real thing, or just a way we understand change? Is space an empty container, or just a set of relations between things? 5. Mind and body. Is the mind simply a function of the body, or does consciousness have its own kind of reality? Let's take one simple question. If your body changes over time, your memories change, your thoughts change, and even your personality evolves, then why are you still you? Is your true identity your body, your memory, your consciousness, your soul, or something deeper than all of these? That is metaphysics. It does not only give answers, it teaches you how to ask better questions. And often, better questions are where deeper knowledge begins. So in short, metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that deals with the most fundamental questions about reality: what existence is, what time is, what causation is, what the self is, and what the true nature of reality might be. If you found this topic interesting, then in the next videos we can explore questions like, is free will actually real? What is the difference between mind and soul? Is time truly real? Could we be living in a simulation? If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. What is reality? See you in the next video.